Hi, welcome to the It's Raining Crafts channel. Today I thought that I would go through my notions. And my notions cases that I take with me when I travel. So this is a Namaste case in their teal colorway. And I just dropped a point protector, but I don't want to just spill it out. Ooh, there I go. But you see all the notions in there. It needs to be organized. And when I used to travel with these. These are from my local yarn shop in York, PA. You and Me. It's my local yarn store. It's about 10 to 15 minutes away from me in an Uber. So I have a small one, and then I have a big one, the Namaste. This one stays at home, obviously, because it's so large. And then you see all this stuff in here. Oh, I have a gauge thingy. Look at that. So, I have a gauge thing from Knit Picks to get my stitches per inch, but I just thought that I would sit and go through this as I am talking to you. So, let's start. Cable needle. I have some end caps from my Knitter's Pride. I'll put those in there. Oh, Baby Yoda. Can't go wrong with Baby Yoda. Oh, he's so cute. But, so that'll go in there. And point protectors. Let's see. They go in here. Someone sent me a message. So, a Marshmallow Progress Keeper. I think I have a few of these actually. So, the point protector will go in there. When I used to travel for COVID, I thought that these would be a great thing to take. A little kitty stitch marker. Wish it was orange like Ellie. But everything can't be orange like Ellie. I can just pretend that it's orange like Ellie. A little Volkswagen Beetle. This reminds me of Monopoly. This piece right here. And I love these stitch markers because I love cats. So they'll go in their perspective. In their perspective 10. And then I gotta figure out what else goes where. So that could go in there. What's this? Oh, a little love stitch marker. It's not February anymore. I was going to say it is February. It's the month of love. But it's not. So, we'll just sort the stitch markers right now. I've been meaning to do this forever, and I just haven't been able to some of these stitch markers were in previous sweaters. Some of these, like the cat stitch markers, I was going to use in my Sparky sweater because the silver really stands out against the blue and the thing, but we ripped that out. We decided to turn that into a cowl, and I still got to work on that. But it's always good to have an interchangeable needle key in your notions. So Finnegan chewed on that. We'll throw that out. Finnegan likes to find stitch markers on the floor, and he just chews them up. Like my little guide for my stranded color work. He's a crazy dog. He's a good dog, but he's a crazy dog. And then we'll throw these in here. We'll throw these in here. We'll keep that over there. I got these little stitch markers for make one right, make one left to remind me, but I barely ever use them. But I think they're so cute. I just think they're so cute. And that just came off. So we'll get rid of that too. But I'm just... Oh, Yoda. Baby Yoda. Another baby Yoda. B-O-R. We don't want to get rid of baby Yoda though. Baby Yoda's too cute. I got an idea. I'll stick baby Yoda on one of these markers. Oh, yoy. Raina, what did you do? So, anyway, what's that? Oh, an email from an art supply. When I used to be big into drawing. I'm not a good drawer. Even though I went to art school, I am not a good drawer. I am better at color and placing colors together. That is my strong suit. That's what everybody tells me when I'm putting stuff together. So that goes in there, that goes in there, that goes in there. Goes in there. I bought this from Hannah of the Corner of Craft because it reminded me of the Mario house. Little sheet marker. I love stitch markers. I like finding... Now this is a definite Mario stitch marker. It's a one-up marker, stitch-up marker. And if you're a big Mario fan, you would already know that. So, and a little owl. little owl stitch marker. Where'd he go? Oh, he goes in there. Point protector, needles. This is a pretty stitch marker right here. Purple. I don't know. My favorite colors tend to be blue, green, and purple. But I barely buy any green yarn. It's mostly pink or deep red. Hi, Miss Ellie. What are you doing? Did you use your box? Huh? She usually makes a big trail and runs down the stairs, so she uses her box. After she uses her box, so she must have done that. But this is a good exercise because I'm into cleaning and organizing since I cleaned out my closet over the weekend. I have the cleaning lady is coming tomorrow, so we gotta go upstairs and clean up for Marie. That way it's easy. I know Marie. We got a new cleaning lady because our last one fired us. Yeah, she fired us. I don't know why. But I guess she wasn't happy with us, and that's okay. We would have never met Marie if she didn't fire us. And then I have a penny in here. Why do I have a penny in there? Some needles, some stitch markers. I know I have some on a table over here. I'll put one in here. One of my handy dandy snips. Hi snips. It's an octopus. And we'll put the cable needle in here. Allie, where'd the other one go? Oh, there it is. And we'll put the other one in there. Do I have an interchangeable needle? Yeah, I do. I have some darning needles in here. The cable needle. This one needs to be thrown away. I just love stitch markers. So we just dumped all the blue ones. We just dumped all the nice ones in here. And then we'll put the rest, we'll try to put the rest in here. There's a you and me, there's a you and me, there's a you and me. Cable needle. And then this looks like this. So, I thank you for keeping me company from while doing this, because I got a little bored. I mean, sorting your notions is fun, but it's more fun when you have friends to talk to while you're doing it. So, until then, I will talk to you soon. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.